Good morning. This is Zara Lopez. Ang daming nagtatanong sa akin kung paano ko na-maintain ang younger-looking skin. Ready na ba kayo? This is Alica NMN Collagen Premium. I'm really amazed with this product kasi hindi lang outer look ang na-maintain niya, but also my inner beauty. You know guys, as we age 25, nagbabago yung skin natin. Kaya importanteng na-maintain natin ang pagiging bata. Kaya naman, try Alica Collagen NMN. Naging part na siya ng pang-araw-araw ko na beauty and health. Alica Collagen NMN is the first product to combine two golden ingredients. 99.9% pure NMN and codfish collagen peptide. Each sachet contains up to 2,500 milligrams of type 1 collagen peptide and 200 milligrams of NMN. Each sachet contains up to 2,500 milligrams of type 1 collagen peptide and 200 milligrams of NMN, one of the highest dosages in the market. NMN helps activate longevity genes, rejuvenates and repairs damaged cells, extends lifespan, and revitalizes the skin. The codfish collagen peptide, which is 7 times more absorbable than regular collagen, supports skin firming, smoothing, and rejuvenation. Even though I took great care of my skin, feeling ko dry at hindi pa rin fair ang skin ko. Kaya nung gumamit ako ng Alica Collagen NMN, my skin became firmer, brighter, and I felt energized. Plus, may bonus pa. It also helped balance my hormones, reduce hot flashes, and nag-improve din talaga ang tulog ko. Kaya I feel so fresh. Now, in terms of lasa ng flavor nito, is tropical fruit juice. So, for sure, magugustuhan mo. After 7 to 10 days, I noticed a significant change. Better sleep, almost no hot flashes, and a refreshed, pleasant feeling with no more fatigue upon waking up. Tapos, 1 month pa lang, my skin has become more firmer, brighter, and signs of aging is na-reduce na. Then after 3 months, yung result, sobrang impressive. My skin to my face, neck, and even my whole body. Parang baby na ulit. Talagang napansin ng mga friends ko and colleagues yung great changes sa skin ko. Nagmukha daw akong mas bata. Nawala daw yung wrinkles ko, yung saggy face, and kahit walang makeup, I still look radiant. Kaya naman, nag-improve ang overall health ko and full of energy. Every day, I mix 1 to 2 sachets of Alica Collagen NMN with water or juice, usually in the morning and before bed. Hindi lang to pampaganda ha, it also supports overall health, including diabetes, heart disease, osteoporosis, and hormonal imbalance. Daily NMN collagen supplements help keep my body healthy, energetic, and reduce health risk. Plus, kahit araw-araw mo itong gamitin, hindi mo kailangang mag-alala kasi hindi ka tataba or magkaka-acne. Self-care isn't one-day task. It requires patience and self-love every day. With Alica Collagen NMN, I've found the perfect solution to maintain my beauty and health. Currently, there's a special promo. Buy 3, get 1 free. Buy 5, get 2 free. Buy 10, get 5 free. Deserve natin ang quality product like this. So if you want to maintain your youth and health, I highly recommend Alica Collagen NMN. I'm sure you'll love it as much as I do. Thanks for watching and see you in the next video. Much love to all!